Well, everyone, you might be in a situation where you're having really weak cell signal on your Android phone. Now, doing this is actually very different, for the most part. The first thing to remember here is that sometimes you might just have to go through and just toggle on and off your airplane mode. So sometimes you might just have to go through and toggle on airplane mode, toggle it off in order for something just to click. So what you can do here is you can go through and you can go ahead and tap onto your airplane mode option right here, and you can go ahead and kind of click it back on if you want to go ahead and toggle it on and or off. So you can kind of adjust it that way. It's kind of up to you. I personally prefer it, either way, honestly. But I would recommend just turning it on, then turning it off just like this. Now, after that, what I'd recommend doing is to go through and restart your phone. So hold down the power button to restart your phone. Go ahead and just give it a few seconds, completely turn it off. That's another thing I'd recommend doing here too. You might just want to go through and restart your device because that'll probably end up fixing the problem for a lot of people as well. Now, if that's still not working, you might want to go through and see that you don't have like a random big case on your particular phone. So you might just want to go through and just see if you don't have you might just want to remove a big massive case on your phone, different things like that. That's another big thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about, because if you end up doing that, that'll probably end up fixing the problem as well. So those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.